our podcast. I'm Nisa.
I'm Aurel.
I'm Ainun.
And today we want to talk about episode 10 from the Wrong English Elementary podcast by British Council.
Today we're going to talk about something a little emotional but also exciting. It's about love, career, and making life choice.
Yeah, it's a really interesting episode because it's about Jamie who gets a chance to follow his dreams.
Exactly. So if you haven't learned to it yet, don't worry because we will give you a quick summary.
Okay, here's the story. Jamie, one of the main character, gets a job offer in Kalimantan or Borneo. It's a great job working in a tropical rainforest conservation. But there's a catch. He has a girlfriend named Carolina and they live in the UK.
Right, and here's where the problem starts. Jamie is excited about the job, but he's not sure. If he takes the job, it means he'll be far away from Carolina. It's not just a short trip, it's a long-term commitment.
Yeah, and Karina doesn't say don't go. She supports him, but you can tell Carolina is sad. In this episode, we hear their conversation and Jamie talk about what best for his future.
So, what do you think? Should Jamie take the job or not?
I'm learning to take this job. Opportunity like this is not come often, especially if it's his dream.
I'm with Lisa on this one. It's a huge opportunity. If it's his dream job, he should take it.
I see your point, but I'm more on Carolina's side. If you are not sure about your relationship and you go far away, that could break things. Not everyone can handle long distance relationship.
Yeah, that's true. It's tough to be far away, especially with different time zone and busy schedule.
But hey, we have video calls and the internet, right? If it can help with staying connected.
True, but still, it's not the same as being in person. It can be really challenging.
Okay, now let's talk about the English used in this episode. They use a lot of will, want, and might. This is a basic for talking about future.
For example, I will take the job. I won't be able to see Carolina often. I might not go if she's really unhappy.
Exactly. Will is for something you're sure about, wants will not, and might is for things you're unsure about. It's like a 50-50 situation.
It is important to know how to use this when talking about future, even our choice, just like James is doing.
And we use this all the time in conversations, especially when we're entertained about something like making a thought decision.
Besides grammar, there are also fun expressions. One of them is, my mouth is on fire.
Yeah, that's when someone eats really spicy food and says, my mouth is on fire, but this doesn't mean real fire, just that the food is super hot.
It's like when we eat chili and grass to fight water, but someone else says it's not that hot, but they are sweating too.
That's hilarious. It's a fun way to learn idioms and expressions. Much more interesting than grammar books.
There's also another helpful phrase. You'll be fine. When James is worried about his relationship, his friends say that's to comfort him.
Yeah, like when your friend is never before a presentation and you say, don't worry, you'll be fine, or you've got this.
The more we listen to these expressions, the more naturally we can use them in our own conversations. It makes us sound more fluent.
Yeah, exactly. It's not just about grammar, but also understanding the context and how we say things.
Podcasts like this one from the British Council are perfect for that. You get to hear real conversations and learn when to use these expressions.
So, if you were in James' position, what would you do?
I think I'd take the job, but first I'd have a serious conversation with my partner. I'd want to make sure we're both on the same page.
I might say no to the job if the relationship is serious. Finding the right person is more important than a job to me.
Yeah, that's a tough decision. But either way, James has to make a choice that feels right for him.
Wow, it's amazing how much one short podcast episode can make us think.
Yeah. Okay, so the takeaway from episode 10 is that it's not just about love and career. It's about communication, making life choice, and having the courage to take risks.
And we also get to learn English, like how to talk about the future and use modal verbs.
If you want to improve your listening, this podcast is a great choice. The British Council explains things clearly and they even have transcripts.
Okay, thanks for listening to this episode with us. Bye.